Hi, this video is about the Nova 8805 drop arm transport chair commode. So this is a great product meant for indoor home use and not for use in the shower. It's not meant to get wet. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy assembly and then some of the great features and benefits. So when you take all the contents out of the box, it will look like this. We've got the base frame, the back with the arms, 2 footrests, heel strap, the seat, and then the pad. Right, the first step you're going to do is open up the frame. And you're going to slide it over, and you're just going to pull on either side, and it will just open and lock into place with these brass buttons, and there's 3 of them, and you'll want to make sure that each one is lodged outward into the frame. All right, and then next we're going to put on the seat. So you'll notice there's a front and a back of this frame. These knobs here will go towards the back. I'll show you how we use those later. So on the seat, you'll see the front has the smooth side and the back has a cutout. So with the front side forward, you're just going to put it on and just give it a push, and that's all there is to that. Now let's put on the back. Now putting on the back, I think it's easiest if you actually lock the wheels down. And I've done that here. I want to show you how to do that. It's really easy. We have these 4 wheel locks that are meant for using your foot, and that way you don't have to bend over to lock it. So you just basically push down on there to lock it, and to release it, it's just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and lock the 2 back down. It just makes it a little bit easier to put on the back. So here is the back with the arms, and the first thing you're going to do is unscrew those knobs and just set them right on the seat. And then when you insert the back, you're going to want to make sure that the arms are sloped downward. And then insert the back into the holes. Give it a push down to make sure that it's insert all the way. And then you want to lock it in place with these knobs. And you're going to turn it right and turn it all the way till it's nice and tight. And same for the other side. And then go ahead and give the back a pull just to make sure that it's locked into place. All right, and now the arms. So like I said, you want to have those arms sloped down. Now let me show you how they lock into place. Just pull them upward, and you'll notice that the pin releases on the other side, and your arms are now locked into place. Now to release them, to do the drop arm for transfer, you're just going to pull on this button, and then the arms come down, and then again to lock it in place, pull it all the way up, and you want to make sure that that pin locks through every single time. All right, and then the last step is to put on the footrests. So there's one for either side. So you want to make sure that the foot plate is facing inward. So we've got these 2 metal brackets here with these holes, these 2 pins here, and that's where it's going to hang over. So just insert the holes through the pins, and then you're going to swing the footrest inward and make sure that it locks in place. Same with the other side. And then putting on the heel strap. And that just Velcros on either of the tubes, and then it gives it a nice comfortable resting place for the user's legs. And then to use it as a transport chair, we've got this pad. So we've got the Commode option here, and then a very convenient, comfortable 2-inch pad that just rests right on the seat, so you can transfer this into a transport chair. All right, so I showed you those wheel locks. You can also lock the wheels in the front. And the other great feature about this Commode is about releasing and taking out the Commode bucket. It just comes out through the back. It slides out like this. We've got a lid and a handle. This is also where we have our care, use, assembly, and customer service information. So you want to keep this. And then the pail then just slides back. Make sure that the handle is down and then also in the middle. And that makes it a lot easier to slide back in. All right, there you go. That is the great 8805 drop arm transport chair Commode.